Hi guys, you're watching Handora, your personal travel explorer. Lakes are the important source of water purification to support the ecosystem in addition to drinking water and food. The man-made picturesque Sukhna Lake in Chandigarh city at the foothills of Shivalik Hills range is an idyllic place for quiet communion with nature and for offering water sports activities such as boating, yachting and water skiing. The creation of Sukhna Lake was one of the greatest gifts from Corbusier and P.L. Varma, the chief engineer. This 3 square kilometer rainfed lake was created in 1958 by damming the Sukhna Choe, a seasonal stream coming down from the Shivalik Hills. Sukhna is an inseparable part of the city. Corbusier had foreseen that the residents of the city would be drawn to it for the care of body and spirit. Sukhna Lake is fringed by a golf course to the south and the famous rock garden to its west. The lake comes alive with tourists and families thronging the promenade, the Chef Lakeview, Citco's fast food joint, shops and of course the jetty for a boat ride. For children there are a number of joyrides at the amusement park. The roof of the burnt, elegantly landscaped has become a favorite promenade. Serious walkers pursue an exercise regime, families enjoy an evening stroll, and nature lovers mingle with children on roller skates. Sukhna has a membership-based lake club with open lawns, a gym, indoor games, swimming pool and tennis courts with both synthetic and grass courts. Boating, rowing, sculling, sailing, kayaking and water skiing can be enjoyed throughout the year. The curvilinear profile of the promenade along the banks of Sukhna hums with activity from dawn to dusk. As the golden hue of the dawn shimmers through its placid waters, a stream of joggers hurry along to savor the fresh morning air, while a few others find time to meditate in tranquility. Groups of students arrive to browse through their books under the shady trees. Families come out to picnic with a siesta to complete their foray into the lap of nature. Photographers and painters love to capture its scenic beauty of the setting sun or the early morning mist in the winters. Even anglers do not leave unrewarded. As night descends, the lights from the hill resort of Kasoli reflect in the lake and present a bewitching sight. This peepal tree standing on the walkway of Sukhna Lake is approximately 150 years old. It has a height of about 75 feet and a trunk of approximately 20 feet. It has been standing on this place before the Sukhna Lake was born. It is a spot for people to relax. Sukhna is a sanctuary for many exotic migratory birds like the Siberian duck, storks and cranes during the winter months. The lake has been declared as a protected national wetland by the Government of India. People of Chandigarh love Sukhna. During summers, there are streams of men, women and children from all walks of life offering voluntary service to desilt the lake bed for about 3 months. This annual ritual has been a regular feature since long. Sukhna Lake is the venue for many festive celebrations too. The most popular is the Mango Festival, held during the monsoons when scores of varieties of mangoes are on display. The lake was the venue for the Asian Rowing Championships. It has the longest channel for rowing and yachting events in Asia. It also has facilities for other water sports such as water surfing, skiing and sculling. Sukhna Lake is without doubt a tourist spot that is a must visit for every visitor to Chandigarh. Hope you have liked this video. Other videos on exciting travel locations and monuments are also available on this channel. Do explore these videos and also do like, share and subscribe this channel.